Here you can learn how to tie a self-locking finishing knot, also called the Aberdeen knot. The self-locking finishing knot is tied without the use of instruments. In the illustration, you can see how the knot is tied in the loop from the last stitch in your continuous suture. The knot must be tied on a straight stitch. If the distance between the last two stitches is too great, it can be difficult to tighten the knot. Be aware of this when you make the stitch that you intend to tie the knot onto. By moving your thumb and index finger through the last stitch of the suture and gently pulling the end of the thread, without pulling it all the way through the stitch, a new loop is made on the thread. The loop is tightened by pulling on the part of the loop that faces the wound, while keeping the end of the thread taut. When the loop is tightened, make a new loop using the same method. This knot consists of 3 loops, after which the end of the thread is pulled through the loops so the knot locks. Studies have been made about whether to make 3 or more loops. These studies show that the knot does not become stronger if more than 3 loops are made. It simply becomes longer. The self-locking finishing knot is as safe as 2 square knots on top of each other and takes up less space. The knot can be used during a continuous suture to avoid undoing everything if you make a mistake at a later stage, and it can be used as the final knot in a continuous suture.